Common credit score myths. Figuring out what improves your credit score can be confusing, but learning the truth behind 13 common credit score myths may help. Myth number 1 is checking my credit report can lower my score. Checking your own credit report is a soft inquiry that doesn't hurt your score because you're not applying for new credit. You can check each report for free every week at annualcreditreport.com. Myth number 2 is applying for a new credit card will permanently hurt my score. Applying for a new credit card is typically a hard inquiry that can negatively impact your credit in the short run, but consistent on-time payment should help increase it even more. Myth number 3 is I should keep a balance on my card to improve my credit score. Using your credit card regularly can help boost your credit score, but charging too much or maxing out your cards won't. In fact, it's best to use less than 30% of your credit line. That portion of credit you're currently using is called your credit utilization ratio, and it's a big part of your credit score calculation. Myth number 4 is I can boost my score by closing my credit card accounts. Using your credit card and making payments can help increase your score, but canceling a card lowers your available credit, which can increase your overall utilization. It can also reduce your credit mix and the average age of your accounts, all of which can lower your score, not raise it. Myth number 5 is factors like age, race, sex, and national origin have a big impact on my score. Auto insurance rates might consider your age and gender, but the Equal Credit Opportunity Act makes it illegal for credit score calculation. Myth number 6 is, once I have a poor credit score, it's ruined for good. Your credit score is a snapshot of your financial history over 7 to 10 years, and it can be rebuilt over time, even after a serious blow like bankruptcy. Myth number 7 is, my income impacts my credit score. Credit score data doesn't include your income or possessions. However, a higher income could make it easier to keep your balances lower and make consistent on-time payments, both of which do affect your credit score. Myth number 8 is, a good credit score means you're rich. Having a good credit score means lenders see you as credit-worthy, and it typically indicates overall financial health, but it doesn't mean you're rich. Myth number 9 is a perfect credit score doesn't really matter. A higher credit score typically leads to better financial rates and terms, and it doesn't get higher than a perfect 850 credit score. However, it's true that a score of 760 or better also makes you look financially reliable. Myth number 10 is paying off debt increases your credit score. Yes and no. Paying off revolving debt, like a credit card, can benefit your score, but paying off installment debt, like a car loan, might not. In fact, it could lower your score a bit if you no longer have installment credit in your mix. Myth number 11 is, my employer can see my credit score. An employer may check your credit report with your permission, but not your credit score. That credit report is an abbreviated version without all your personal information. And this process usually has no effect on your credit score. Myth number 12 is, student loans don't affect my credit score. A student loan may affect your credit score for a few reasons. Your credit reports will likely include the amount you owe and your payment history. And they're installment loans, which may help diversify your credit mix. And finally, myth number 13 is, using debit cards helps build a good credit score. Debit cards pull from your bank account, so there's no borrowing and no debt. That means your purchases aren't being reported to any credit bureaus. So debit cards don't help build credit history or improve your credit score. Here's the bottom line. It can be hard to know what does and doesn't impact your credit score, especially when trying to untangle the truth behind credit myths. But understanding the facts can help you live a healthy financial life.